How do you persist your variables in Python code? The most standard, production-grade approach is naturally to use a database. However, for many of our small scripts, configuration files, or student assignments, with only hundreds, dozens, or even just a few data entries, heavy databases like MySQL that require service configuration are needlessly complicated. Even the lightest relational database SQLite requires table creation and environment setup. Even something as light as TinyDB isn't portable enough. Directly using configuration files for storage often requires implementing many methods yourself, which is troublesome. Introducing SimpSave. As the name suggests, SimpSave is a featherweight, key-value storage Python library that provides an extremely simple, clear, and easy-to-use functional interface, supporting storage of Python basic type values. Most critically, it implements read-as-you-save, meaning whatever type you store in is the type you get out, with common basic functionalities encapsulated, making it nearly the simplest storage solution. SimpSave is published on PyPy, so you can install it using pip install SimpSave. Then, import it in your project, commonly abbreviated as SS. To write a piece of data, simply use SS write. For example, we store key1 with value hello SimpSave. Returning true indicates successful writing. Verify with SS, has, true means key1 already exists in the database. Use SS, read to read out the value of key1. We stored in a string, and what we read out is also a string. This is read as you save. Type checking and conversion can both be omitted, very convenient. Now let's store another key2 with value 3.14. Reading out key2 plus 1 gives us 4.14. Let's store a slightly more complex value. This is a dictionary, nested with a bunch of lists. Similarly, we read it out. Leveraging the read-as-you-save feature, we can directly apply methods to the result returned by read, for example, appending another list. Using the SS match method, we can see what keys are stored in our database. SS remove is used to delete a key. Let's try deleting key1, check with SS. Has, returning false indicates this key no longer exists in the database. SS match shows the same. If we want to delete the entire database, use SS delete. By default, the database is stored in _SS __ XML in the same directory. We can switch databases by modifying the file parameter using either absolute or relative paths. Changing the file extension automatically switches the storage engine. XML, MLL, TUML, JSON, and even SQLite are all supported. But what if our small program needs cross-device access to a database in the same location? SimpSave provides support for a unique SS mode path starting with SS will be stored in the package installation directory. This is very useful when storing configuration files, making it easy to ensure that after the program is installed on different devices and started from different locations, it can still access the same database. SimpSave is open source on GitHub. If you feel this simple project is helpful to you, why not give it a star to show your support?